In this video, I'll be showing you how to get tables from chatgpt and how to properly format it into your Google Docs with your smartphone. So it's easy using a PC, but I found a solution on how to go about it with your smartphone. So you might think you don't need it now as a designer, but if you'll be writing or you'll be creating a course in the future, then you want to need this. And if you're a content writer, a writer like that, you would surely need this video. So this is what I want to show you right away. So the first thing you want to do is to come to your Chrome browser and you come to chatgpt. So right here, let me just give you a glance through. So I asked chatgpt right here, list 20 routine I should do for self-help, like just asking chatgpt a generic word like that. So after it has listed it like this, so I asked chatgpt to create 2 weeks table of content, create 2 weeks table routine guide for this and create a table per week. So this is exactly what I got for chatgpt. So for each week, chatgpt is telling me what I need to do, like self-help. I need to read, meditation, all that. So I think it is too much right here, Monday to Saturday. So I want the video to be really brief. So that's why I asked it to generate from Monday to Wednesday. And here is what I got from chatgpt. So now if you want to copy something like this, you don't come to the copy section below here. You want to copy, if you are copying a table, so you want to highlight from this part like this and you would do it this way. So you want to copy table by table. If you copy everything like this, then you might get it as a single table as the outcome. So you want to copy it bit by bit like this. So after you are done copying, you just click on the copy option and I'll come to my Google Docs. I'll create new document. And here is a new document. So here is a new document with your Google Docs. So this is Google Docs. It is free writing app on Play Store. So you get it right there. So here's the text. If I click here to paste it like this, so you can see it is not formatted. So and you don't want to do it. Let me set my screen to desktop view so you can see it. So you can see it's not well formatted, and if you highlight this and delete it, let's just delete this. If I would long press and I'll paste right here, so you can see that sometimes you want to change like you can see it has a black drop which you might not need sometimes. So I'll just select all the table right here and I'll come to this function to edit. So you can see right here that I cannot really change the color. If I come right here, I cannot change the color. So there's no how I want to do this now. So what you just need to do next time is, let me delete this. So I'll delete this table. So what you want to do next time is to get a sheet. So what you want to do next time is to get a sheet. It is, you use Microsoft Excel if you are using a PC, but on smartphone, just go to Google and to Play Store and type Google Sheet, so you get it. So this is the one I'll be using for this video. I'll just click on it and I'll open. So right here, I'll click on this plus button right here and I'll click on new spreadsheet. So while it's loading, if you enjoyed this video to this point or you hope that you get value, then I will encourage you to like this video so that you help the YouTube algorithm to know that this video is working. So here is it So if you are new to Google Sheet or any spreadsheet like that, so here is how it looks like. So it has row and column. Use it to create tables. So I don't want to really, this is not a sheet tutorial, it's not. So you want to click on starting from row 1 column 1. Okay, so you want to long press like this and you want to paste. So I'll just click on paste. So it is still the same thing. So what you want to do now is to, you can see this blue icon like this. So you want to just select it, so and it is adjusted like this. So make sure you select all the old text, and what you want to do now is to come below here to the fill color, which is now available in the Google Docs. So you click on the fill color and you click on reset. So everything is gone now. So now what you want to do is to click on this A option, and you want to come to this text. Just select the text. I want the color to be black, so I'll come to, so black is okay. So the next thing I want to do is to format it, right? So this is the font. I'll click on the font. I often use Times New Romans, but I think I should use more other fonts. So let me try this Comic, and this is beautiful. So you can change the text size right here and all that. So here's another thing I want to show you. So you can just on this blue lines like this is what you use to adjust it. So I would use it to crop this portion, and I'll come to fill. So let's just use orange this time. So I think it's making more sense like this. So it's making more sense like this. So if you want to copy another content from ChatGPT, you want to leave a space right here. So it's stopping at 14. So you can just start and paste a new one here like this. So this is how you format everything in order to let it make sense. So after we've removed the backdrop, we want to do some editing. So I'll click right here again. So you can see this blue stuff. So you just hold it and you move down. So let's say you want to highlight something right here. So I'll just come to this color option again. Then I can give it a fainted color. So we have it like this. So you want to do a lot of formatting to it to make your table more meaningful. So if you don't know how to create table, then these two will always help you out to do that. You can just ask ChatGPT and you follow this process. So the next thing I want to do is to highlight everything. So I'll highlight everything and I'll long press. So once I long press now, so let me highlight it again. So I'll click on copy this time. So this is where you want to copy it, and you come to your Google Docs app, plus option right here. Then you want to create a new document, and if you are writing, you want to add it to the docs you are writing, the document you are writing already. So I will click on this thing. I'll just go in and switch to print layout. So if you also do it this way, it is still not formatted. You want to long press on your sheet and you want to paste. So here is your table properly formatted. So you want to do this multiple times. Everything I've shown you how to go about it. So here is how you format your table with your smartphone. So I hope this will help you, and I would encourage you to like this video if you want more helpful tips around AI, video editing, and smartphone design. So if you want a well detailed video on how to curate an entire book, just let me know in the comment section. If you're a new subscriber, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel because you'll be gaining a lot of value, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.